We have always received this question about legitimacy, about credibility, which we totally understand and respect, no? Kasi syempre, ang dami talaga ng nagkalat na scammers. Ayun nga, yung mga kabuting agencies na pera-perahan lang. So, Kikomoto Immigration Firm has been established in 2021. Nag-umpisa siya as Canadian Immigration Services pa lang, no? So, it's a licensed Canadian immigration firm. Ibig sabihin po nun, no, recognized po siya, registered, so highly regulated po by the Canadian regulatory body as well as the government and immigration po. And we have expanded, so from Canada, nag-expand to other countries such as Australia, New Zealand, USA, and later on, nagkaroon na ng mga European countries, nagkaroon na din ng mga internship programs, and halos kinikater na namin ang buong mundo, no? Like globally talaga. Kaya pag may nagtatanong na client, na-handle nyo din ba yung ganitong country? Almost yes po talaga yung nasasagot talaga namin. So for Canada, of course, all visa services, so lahat ng klase ng visa, even representing you sa immigration courts as well as border representation. Isa din po akong appointed commissioner sa British Columbia, so I can do notarization po of immigration documents din and certification of documents. And I also process divorce, yung mutual divorce. Pero for Asia po, no, meron po tayong Asia Paid Internship wherein nagpapadala po tayo sa Asia and Gulf countries or Middle East countries para mag-internship sila doon. So ito po ay para sa mga fresh graduates. Now we are promoting Austria kasi napakamura po niya, sobrang affordable and maluwag pa po siya. As well as yung sa Spain na digital nomad visa, which is really good for our digital nomad friends, for our VA friends na interested na lumipat sa Spain. Or meron pa pong other European countries na hindi na e-explore na po pwede din po ang digital nomad visa. And then now we have processed a high profile clients, mga influencers, celebrities. Although yung iba po kasi minsan ayaw nilang mag-sign ng marketing agreement, so hindi po natin sila pwedeng ilabas. But so far, kung makikita nyo po yung mga ibang influencers na na-process namin, yun, mga pumapayag po kasi talaga silang magpa-process. We are ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 licensed immigration consultant ng Canada alone. But isa tayo sa laging nai-invite for media interviews ng major news channels, no, not just here in Canada and in the Philippines. Kahit po yung mga global news channels, no, na-feature tayo and nai-invite to share our expert advice and update related sa immigration. Even radio stations and yung mga podcast, sila Chinkitan, sila Stanley Chi, yan yung mga ganyan na medyo foundation ng mga podcast. As well as magazines and then newspapers in the Philippines, no? So, we totally respect the question about legitimacy and credibility. So, to address that po, no, kung pwede nyo pong gawin ang sarili ninyong research, makikita nyo po na very legitimate ang Kikomoto Immigration Firm as well as ako. You can search po, no, sa aming regulatory body, sa College of Immigration Consultants, yung aking pangalan, i-search nyo lang po doon yung pangalan ko. And makikita nyo po doon na active ang aking membership with good standing or good reputation, and I am legally allowed to process and represent clients po, no? So, ayun, I hope na-discuss ko po ang Kikomoto Immigration Firm.